The area we call the Gamma Sector is crisscrossed with a multitude of ATV trails. Today, we took off and headed towards Chiquito Creek.
Oh, I had to stop for the green grass, didn't she? And now for the climb to the pass. Cow Path Pass. Boy, the cows sure making this dusty. She loves those little white flowers.
I didn't even see him here.
Like there's two trees we have to sort of walk around. Patty jumps over a couple more down below. Now this was a small suspended log jump for Patty, but somebody cut it. So now it's trot poles. Those ATV people, they just can't read the sign that says no ATVs. So instead they bring their chainsaw and make it ATV. Well, for themselves, not for the rule of law.
To be fair, it is only this 1 mile section that the ATVs are not allowed on.
Good. Go on, let's go. I know, hesitate. Want to drink, want to eat.
Well, you can see parts of the balls through the trees. And Madeira Peak with through the trees. A little bit of snow still. On your right, oh, nice views of the balls. Oh, beautiful. Look at the beautiful flowers up there.
We took a slightly different way back to the main area of the Gamma sector.
Well, it's steep right off the bat here from the creek. Then it eases up, only steep. This double track climb out of the creek, it's only 3/8 of a mile going down. Coming up somewhere between 3 and 8 miles, I think. Look out. Ready, puppy? Ready, horsey? Mouthful of grass. Pretty flowers. On your right, and we take another right here. And now we're back at Mugler Creek again. Actually, just less than an hour ago, we were on this very section. But here, I take a Meadow shortcut to avoid the big creek crossing. It's a small creek crossing here.
She went through a pair of trees there that I'm like squeezing her as tight as I can because I'm going, holy fucking shit, she's going to rip my leg off.
I repeated that entire last segment again because I dropped a strap.
Cowpath Pass. Say that 6 times in a row with a bit of a tipsy drunk on. So downhill is a truck, essentially. Wahoo, what a day. I got a beer and a sandwich waiting for me at the truck. And Patty and the girls, of course. Hi, girlies.